Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Triple N Media. I am NIK NIKAM. In this video, I'm going to show you how to perfectly set your audio volume for YouTube or any other streaming media, depending upon what is the loudness level that is acceptable by different streaming medias. For example, YouTube has a loudness value of minus 14 LUFS, that is loudness, whatever the units are. So we need to understand that and if you are using Adobe Premiere, here's what we can do to set the limit so that it won't be overshadowed by the instruments which clip off and make the YouTube drop the rest of the audio down, level down. As a result, your especially karaoke tracks will sound so low and totally unacceptable. You have to let it run the whole video for it to analyze before it will its null also. But anyway, this is minus zero point 0.9, which is acceptable, and it is playing. See, it did not turn down any volume on this particular one. But if you, by the time you find out that it has turned down your volume by, anyway, that's the audio we are hearing, but we don't know how it's going to be on YouTube. So when you go to export this video by pressing Control M, we come down to audio settings here, and under the audio settings we keep coming down, or the effects, we come to effects, then we have this loudness normalization. Initially it may be set to like ATSC A/85, whatever it is. Go to ITUBS.1770-3, that is in Adobe Premiere. That's number one. And YouTube sets the loudness to minus 14 decibels. So make sure you set your loudness to minus 14 decibels and the tolerance to 0 and the maximum variation to be minus 1 decibel. And if you set these settings, then the video recording will be much better, and the instrument tracks won't be overshadowing your voice. As a result, the YouTube will bring down the whole volume. So here, before I go into that, let me show you. Here I just took a small segment here, and we're gonna take a much smaller segment so I can just demonstrate to you how the volume is going to come out when we have a finished video. So we're just going to use this segment to export, so it takes less time. I'm going to cut that extra time that takes. So we go to M and we say we want to use this as loudness check, take for YouTube, take version 2. I already have version 1. So we're going to do that one, and we're going to export this, which shouldn't take much time. And I can Kali Kali Gaiya Gore Gore Gwal Kali 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 Gaiya. One of the reasons I may not be able to play these ones, I had to figure out because it worked fine. But nonetheless, maybe because I am recording this using OBS, and that may be preventing it from playing this new video. But anyway, the main thing you need to do the adjustment is under encoder. You go to effects and you go to loudness normalization, and there you set these parameters. Minus 14 loudness that is used by YouTube. If it's Apple, it could be minus 16. Spotify, it may be minus 12. So just look at what they use, and then you set these numbers. Then your video should be much, much better, especially when it's mixed with like high-pitched instrument sounds that may be clipped by the system. Okay, so let's close this one. So this is a simple test you can do, and you can check with the one without it, and then you'll know the difference. Thank you so much for watching.